This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Salyer. Amazing, like new, expanded Cape-Cod on 3 acres in the Westport neighborhood of the award-winning Ford's Colony community. Fantastic open floor plan, first floor living. Kathryn Salyer designed chef's kitchen with 8 feet island, professional appliances to include 48 inches dual fuel gas range and built-in refrigerator. The huge primary suite features 12 feet ceilings, 2 walk-in closets and ensuite bath with gorgeous standing tub, walk-in shower and double vanities. A formal office and formal living room per second office or formal dining room. Family room with 20 feet ceilings and gas fireplace. Upstairs features a second primary suite, 2 walk-in closets, ensuite bath with gorgeous standing tub, spacious walk-in shower and double vanities. 3 additional bedrooms with 2 full baths complete the upstairs. A nearly 3,000 square feet unfinished basement walks out to amazing landscape design, a gas fire pit for all your entertaining needs.